Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola.
Budia.
Tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi.
Banantaku.
Sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samucha, otubele. Otukala. Ambe sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samucha, otubele. Otukala. Wajabari.
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Seba.
Watombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi. Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda. Kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokela
yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokele
sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinyaja nsunguma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao na ni hembiri yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o. Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinyata yaya tomba mbongo yaye kiadi yaye atak Keba Pula Reke Yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokela
yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokele
sadila ntangu atiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nsunguma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao na yembre yao nge mwana bakavumbuka kutolo watomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Msongi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda
Songe la njila.
Munsongi
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 la njila.
Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Rana bandu butabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta kabu njisansa bala choma mbukwamba kiri heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako
mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala babu bobo bala babu bobo bala babu bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala babu bobo bala babu bobo bala babu bobo
Munsongi
Songela njila
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbushitani yaita tumansangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukuri mbakiri mambu Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando
Mwangi kwa ye sima unwini menga bala babu bobo bala babu bobo bala babu bobo mwana ngele kwa ye sima unwini menga bala babu bobo bala babu bobo bala babu bobo
Najika Naebesa Naluika Kabuta bako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi
Songela njila
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 Munsongi
Songela njila mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala babu bobo bala babu bobo bala babu bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala babu bobo bala babu bobo bala babu bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala babu bobo bala babu bobo bala babu bobo
Ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba Kusangi nikota njecha musu nimbala banku ni mama lemba Nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba Mboko gana banda gana yeti kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba Nchi wala 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 wala
Wamena
Mkuni nitomba mama lemba nzene na lamba mwana yaka chamuzuna zoza yumanje ninalamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kweto mbe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana wanla mama lembe amama ngana nzila tolokolo jaku mama lembe chiwala nzadi ambuka elemene na nge kusomamba diambu dikayemene na nge kusomamba ni diambu jantoto kubungu ntoto wega nge kusomamba we na chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kayemene na nge kusomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu unwa mamba dzunu chantima chikotele ukelo wo ulutawa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba che kumbamu teko china che bonso kento mukento ebuta zolota ni mwanto fiafiechi mboko nkelo wa malemba c'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talatin kelo wa malemba iwo ganaka dzunu kubishimbamu ekabo beto bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene na gande koso kelo niwagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china Amama bonisa kwani mama sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala salamu aja amama bonisa kwani mama sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala salamu aja l'arbre sacré de Tata Malanda mokruwa koma qu'il donnait aux sorciers n'a pas pu finir le kundu mumpamba wondele bantu est-ce que beto kundu ritatu kwa misa yachi ka kundu ako bisalu doneno sari tabokesa yachi sala kwa tutatombe ngati tanunga ambe salu chitukule amama bonisa kwani mama sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala salamu aja amama bonisa kwani mama sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala salamu aja nti wankasa walemba kana mumanisa kundu mpandu kampandu shiyokele hakundu ni chi Muntu okwenda kundu. Mayela mama.
Tokolonga. Mon mère. Rogatien Milor. Garo Marca. Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie, nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego. Kolanda tenzela ya mabe, malembe malembe tokukoma. Mokili tondi magamwebele, ya salana kimya. Eloko nyose kwa makanangonga nango.
Kiambote nengwatadiwa.
Kiambote tata Mpando.
Nuna mavimpi,
Ngeta tuna mavimbi.
Tutondele. Yetepe tuna mavimpi, tutondele. Let me just greet the audience. Hello, Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. If you are watching, we thank you very much. We are Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon. Who can help me? Ningwatediwa. Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville. Okay, thank you very much for the time. I'm sure I'm going to find my files. Okay, are you there? Ningwatediwa, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, I think this is the file anyway. Yeah, this is the file. Okay. This is for it's I was teaching French class, yes. But you should be familiar with this.
Yes.
Ngizambote, yeah.
Welcome.
Welcome. Good. This is small talk. I'm Luvumbu, you are Kenge, yeah? Ningotediwa.
Yes.
Yeah. Kiambote, luna mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta tuna mavimpi yeyenu,
Yetembe tuna mavimpi tutondele.
Kunanzo mavimpi,
Ingeta, kunanza tuna mavimpi. Do you understand, yes?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, how are you? I mean, literally, at home. How are you at home? Okay, how are you?
Yes, I was home.
How is your family? Yes.
How's your family?
Luvumbu, it's me. Ingeta, kunanzo tuna mavimpi tutondele. You asking me, Tata Nengotedia?
Okay.
Ask me.
Kumbwa kunani tata?
Kumbwa me, let's read just the screen. Kumbwa me pululu. Wange nengwa kumbwa kunani?
Kumbwa me zumba.
Kwe uzinganga nengwa nzumba.
Kuna mbanza Kongo izinganga.
Kuna mbanza Kongo izinganga, yes. Okay, your question, eh?
Wange tata mpululu kwe uzinganga.
Kuna kwilu futa izinganga.
Fukwambote tata.
Fukwambote kwa ngeye mpenengwa. Is it easy to understand the talk, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let me just try to introduce you just to you because it's not easy. I mean, should be okay with you. It's fun. It's easy. Okay, this is French, but you basically when I ask Can you hear me? Yes, French. Yes, Timoto. Can you hear me?
Can-
Mukungwa une. Just remember the verb kala to be, yes.
mhm.
This is wa. Remember present perfect. What's the word? I keep forgetting. Yes, present perfect indicative. Yes.
In the
Kikongo verb, your first person is it is the nasal. I think nasal. Remember those verbs when we were reading the table. We have
yes was
many verbs. We
eating
did have
when
dia, dia to eat. Mm. If you were to say in present continuous, itadia, I'm eating. Yes, yes.
yes itadia.
Itadia. Oh, you could say madezo itadia. Okay, this is a present continuous.
Okay.
Continuous. Whenever we have ita, ita means ing in English. Yes,
Yes.
that's what it is. Ink. Yes, going. Yes. Okay. The first person. I mean, basically, your personal pronouns depend on your tense. So at least the singular bit. When I need to just follow me. The verb is wa. If I want to conjugate, I'm going to say first person wa. I mean, we're talking tense, present, present, perfect, indicative. Yes. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. Wa. The verb is wa. The infinitive. Ngwa. Yes. Okay. I'm asking you a question. Mukungwa une. Can you hear me? Yes.
Muku muku
So una,
wangine.
it is for you.
Mhm,
Ngwa is me. I'm talking. Ngwa is my verb. The
mhm.
verb wa. So your answer is mukuwangina. You just wa is second person. Yes, you don't need that. So are you
Muku
okay?
wangina. Muku
Okay.
wangina.
Yes, mukungwa. I could say let's add a verb. Okay, this should be easy. Muku mukumvisa une. Visa is the verb. Visa to understand. I could say mukumbakisa une. Bagisa to understand. Yeah.
Mhm.
So your answer is
So I say muku
mhm.
mbakisa wangine.
No. No, don't follow.
Or
This
I
is the
just
verb
say
wa.
muku wangine.
My question was mukumbakisa una. My verb is bakisa. So your answer should be you
Oh
just drop
mbakisa.
yeah, the same verb, but you drop the nasal, yes?
Or I say bakisa wangine.
No, no, no. This why you see here is for this question. This why is for this question. Why can you hear me? To hear,
Mhm.
to listen, yeah? Bah,
Or I
well,
say muku mbakisa ngine.
bravo, you drop the nasal, mukubaki sangina, yes?
Okay. Okay. I got it now.
Mukubaki. Anything at all, you just drop the nasal because the nasal is mine. Because
Okay.
but you pointed to me, talk to me. I'm second singular.
Mhm.
Are you? Yeah.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Okay. Well. Uh. Okay. To see is Mona.
Yes.
So Mona. Okay. Get this. Remember, it is your pronouns. I mean, that is the first personal pronoun depends on your tense. When we're talking about present perfect indicative,
Mm-hmm.
my first person is nasal. You know, you don't use the standard. Let's call it standard. pronouns. So
Mhm.
Mona is to see. Okay. My question is Mukumbona une. Mm,
Then I say
mhm.
muku
Yes.
muku
Good.
mona ngina.
Bravo. Yes. You just repeat the same verb, my verb, but it
You
will be
remove the
second
nasal.
plural, second singular. Yes. No nasal. Nasal belongs. Remember, in Kikongo, nasal
For the first
only
person.
for first person. Yes.
Yes.
First person. Of course, we're talking present indicative. Yeah, present perfect indicative. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, I'm asking I'm asking my question to the crowd. I'm asking many people. You are going to answer me on behalf of the crowd.
Yeah.
Mm. Mukungwa Lune. Mm.
Muku watuna.
Yes, yes. Luna, second plural, yes. What? Okay, now, okay, here is easy now. Now from the plural, because the first bit, the part, singular part, uh, my verb is ngwa, first, second wa, third wa, but the plural bit is easy because we keep the standard two luba. Yes, are you with me?
Yes.
Mm. If I were to ask you a question, mukutu, on behalf of the crowd, mukutu wa une. Mm.
Mukulu wangina.
Yes, you're talking to us, many people. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah. No, negative. Yes.
Okay.
You should be familiar with this. Mugungwa une. Mm,
Kitaku wako.
mm. Yes. Remember,
Yes,
as
I
soon
can
as you
say.
see ta, mm, sorry,
Oh, kita means refers to the first person. Like I cannot.
say it again. I missed that. Sorry. No, excuse me.
Kita is for the first person.
Yes, yeah. Well done. Here, something is hidden. Remember, I. This is your I. Yeah, I. It's I. Anyway, in Gikong I. First thing. Yes.
Yes.
The ta is your N I continuous. Yes. Kitaku wako.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you keep you keep as I'm talking Portuguese. you keep ku.
Mm-hmm.
You could say kita wako. I can't how to translate. I can't hear you. But when you say kitaku wako, I'm talking to you. I can't hear you. I go tell you yes.
Yes.
If you drop this, you just general, you just talk anyway. Just say I'm not. I can't hear. I can't hear you. Kitaku wako. You keep this.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. I'm asking you many people. Yeah. Just answer in the name of the crowd, please. Mukungwalu ne.
Katu katu katutaku
Mhm.
wako.
Yes. Well done. Remember, this is the usual one. Kata tut katuta. Yes. First plural.
Yes.
You mean, yes. Katutaku wako. Question, Nangataju. You are on your own today, yes? Standing alone.
Uh,
Any questions? Say Nangataju.
no, I don't have questions. I think
Okay.
it's clear.
Yeah, Muku. Oh, Tata David is not coming. Oh, sorry. Okay, Tata David is not coming. Never mind. Okay.
Almost got
Mukutua
time.
une. Sorry?
Is anyone else coming? Is it just me?
Maybe Tatane, I doubt it. I'm not sure. I don't think they're coming. Mukutua une. Hmm? Now I'm talking on behalf of a crowd. Yes, you can you hear? Can you hear us? I mean, I'm listening. Can you hear us? Mukutua une.
Kitakuluwako.
Yes. Itakuluwa. Is it clear? Yes.
This one.
Kita,
Oh,
you.
Kita means I am not, so I cannot hear you. Oh, that means I can't hear you. Okay, I understand.
Remember remember, whenever we have negatives, always K, yes? K, some K, A, K, I, K, A, K, E, depend, but always Kiko, remember, yes?
Yes.
Kita, your Ki is negative Kiko, but at the same time, the small I,
For the first person.
yeah, at the same time, yes. This is your. Let's just try to revise. Amengine, you are. Remember, third could be Una or Kena, yes? Tuna, Luna, Bena. Okay. Now, pay attention, please. It should be okay. You know this. Okay. Try to translate into English. Mukungwa Kene.
Can ye hear me?
Yeah, well done. Because Kena here is your third color, yes?
Yes.
This is my verb, me, first person. Mukungwa Kene. Your answer?
Muku wa Kena.
Yes.
Ye can visit.
No. Mukungwa Kena, him, her.
Oh, ye.
He can hear you. Yeah.
He can hear you.
Yes. Mukungwa Bene. Can you translate this person?
Mukungwa Bene. Can they hear me?
Yes. Mukungwa Bene. Hang on. I think there's a mistake here. Mukungwa Bene. Mukungwa Bene. Yes. Yeah. Mukutuwa une. Translation, please.
Mukutuwa una. Can you hear us? Can you hear us?
Bravo, yes. Mukuluwangina, yes. Can hear you, yes. Am I repeating something? Mukungwa Kena, Mukungwa Bena, okay. Let me move. Yes, okay, well done. Any questions? I'm going to display. I'm going to tell you, well done, yes. Questions?
No, I don't have questions. It's just that,
well
how
done.
do you memorize? So do I just practice by myself? Like I write simple sentences so that I don't forget.
Yeah. Did I send you this file? I need to send you this file then. I mean, anyway, you have you got the link, yes? That's the link.
Yes.
Everything is on. Sorry?
Oh, yesterday you did send a message. I remember you sent a message, but I don't remember if you sent a link.
1 minute, yes. Try to share this.
No, you didn't send.
I have got this file, but just okay. Remind me, I need to send you this file. But you are fine. You should be okay. You're doing well. Let me just. Where is my file? Okay, this one. You're doing well, Nengote Diwa, yes. Where is it? Okay. This one. I think we did lesson, did we? Did we do this?
Kitako. Yes, we did Kitako. Yes, we did it.
Okay,
The
let me
two
just,
previous lessons.
let us go back. Yes, that's okay. Let's go back. Yeah, again. Try. I'm not eating.
Kitadiako.
Yes. I'm not going.
Kitakwendako.
Yes, well done. Kitakwendako. Your K is your. I mean, I'm trying to explain it using French. Yes. K. The correspondent word is N-E-N in French. Yeah. I, of course, is your first singular. Ta is your N-ing. N-I-N-G. Yes. Ko is pa. Okay. Tutonde. Okay, you should be familiar. You should be okay with this. So can I? Let me just try to go to. Yeah, the past. Yeah.
That's not
Yeah.
difficult sometimes.
Past is past. Yeah. Past is the. That is not easy. That to share it. Past in Congo relies heavily on your tonality. Yeah. Very, very hard. Yeah, let me just say hello to the audience. If you're watching, we thank you. Don't move. We're learning Kikongo. This is your mother tongue. If you're regular, we thank you very much. We're doing our best to keep language alive. Yes. Okay. Here we are. Yes. Present perfect indicative. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is the past. We're talking about the verb kwenda. Okay. I will go. How would you say that? Nengotedio?
I will go. Isn't it Isinga Kwenda?
Bravo, yes. So here we have Ngele. I've gone, yes.
Yes.
Take notes, pay attention, please. We say Ngele, we not say, you can't say, you should not say Ingele, yes?
Yes, it's just Ngele.
Yes. So this part, the singular part, the main thing you just remember your first is always nasal, then second and third singular, just well, yes. At least for verb kwenda. Don't memorize because you need to just remember the main thing here is you just remember your first is singular because it's hard to know all the verbs at the same time. Yes? You need to live in Banza Kong. Okay, then we have twele, Didi. I've eaten, yes. Didi, to Didi, Ludidi, Badidi. Be careful here. You have to say, mind your how do you say the pronunciation? Badidi. We have. Can you see the? Yeah, can you see the accent? Yeah, this is your long vowel. Yes. Yes, then tell you on I. Can you see the accent?
Yes.
Yeah. If you say badidi, you're saying you are adamant. You're saying you're telling someone he's adamant. Just by twisting a bit your But twisting a bit your tongue, just on your tone, but change your tone, you're saying something different.
Mm-hmm.
Badidi, yes. Tutundele. Question this one. What did you
Yes, I have a question. I
go
remember
ahead?
you said that some people, instead of saying
Sorry?
ba, they'll use like
Can you say it again?
I remember you said some people they say ba, some people say be,
Hmm? Yes.
some people say ya,
Yeah.
some people say you.
Yeah, this is
So
Kikongo, yeah.
and some people don't say ba, they just say like they don't say the b, say
Yes.
So when they're
Hmm.
speaking, can you still understand them?
Yeah,
Can you still
would. Yeah, you would. You'll understand. It's not because you understand the grammar, so you know what they're talking about. Uh, yes.
And you said that in Banza Congo, they have a tendency of using o for
Yeah.
second
Well done.
person and
Yes.
third person.
Remember. Yeah.
So they say
Remember.
o single.
We've been learning from Papa Makonde, kwa.
And they
Uh,
used o single.
yeah. Isinga kwenda, osinga kwenda, osinga kwenda. Both second and third, they use, oh, yeah. But a bit for some people, should be, for the native, it's fine, but it's a bit confusing for someone who is learning like yourself, yes?
Yes.
So that's why easy to remember this one, yes? I'm reading in Kikongo, I, U, A, yes, O, K, K, A, K, Tulu, but this side is fine, plural, yes?
Okay.
Yes. I remember there's a song we sing, Oh Yisunke, Oh Yisunkembo Asisidi, or another tune, Oh Yisunkembo Asisidi, Sisa, to live. When I say Asisidi, mean third singular, you understand?
That means he left.
Yeah, Kasisidi. You should say, you could say Kasisidi, yes? Easy to understand Kasisidi, but it is a language. Just be familiar. You understand? Well, you need to understand that Kikongo is very, very flexible in terms of vowel, mainly the last one, the last vowel on words. If I say Mbwenge, remember black eyed peas?
Black eyed peas.
Yes, yeah. Mbwenge. Some people say Mbwengi. Yeah, Mbwengi.
Yes.
Mm.
I also heard you said some people they say Kiambota. Some people say
Yeah,
Kiambota. Like they don't actually
yeah.
say the thing.
No, my grandma would sing Kambota because I'm from Kwilu. See the two legs on the picture. Can you see?
Yes, I can see them.
They will never say Kambota.
Or they say Kiambota. Okay.
Now they say this
Yeah, I
is from
understand.
a variant Kambota, but languages everywhere you go is just like this. When you come in England, you go to North, you go to
Yeah, they
Newcastle,
speak funny. They
you
speak
go
different.
to Liverpool. There was a lady that came from England. He went to, I think she was from Liverpool. He went to America. They said that he was talking, but they said no newsreader, but celebrity. They said that they didn't want because they couldn't understand. Understand? He was speaking in English, but they couldn't understand what she was saying. Yes, but anyway, languages we have variants. Yes, it's just a repeating. Now, una, tuna, and yes. By the way, you tell me just a test for you.
Yes.
When I say Ngina, what is the tense?
It's the present tense.
Yes, something else you need to put an end.
the
because I'm not
present.
using I. Sorry?
It's the present continuous.
No, not present perfect
Present perfect
indicative.
indicative.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was just the present tense. Okay.
See? Whenever you drop your yes,
Oh, then it's present perfect indicative.
yeah, indicative. Yeah. Whenever you drop your how should I say this? Whenever we're using the nasal as first person, so just remember it's
Present
because you're
perfect.
saying you don't say ingina, you say ingina, yes? So
Yes.
it is present perfect indicative. Ngele. Okay.
Yeah.
You tell me, could test to you and then what I do.
Yeah.
Every morning I go to the market, yes. Consensuka, yes.
Yes, okay. Konsusiuka,
Mm-hmm.
I go. So this is present. It's the one with the
Remember,
I. So
remember
konsus
your Consensuka. Remember your
konsusiuka
KU. You remember your preposition
kuzandu
KU. Yes, well done.
kuzandu
Yeah.
ikwendanga.
Oh, yes, well done. See, now we're using E. Yeah? Yes.
Yeah.
Consensuka kuzandu ukwendanga. You. Every morning you go to the market. Consensuka kuzandu kakwendanga. Every morning he goes to the market. To so on. Yes, is it clear? So, going back to Kala, because we're saying Gina, yes, it is present perfect indicative. Question, then I'll tell you, good student, yes?
Yes.
On
How do you
spotlight.
say that in Kikongo? How do you say I'm a good student? Do you say mono longoki ambote?
Yeah,
Because
yes.
I know alongoki is
No,
plural.
Longoki student, Longoki, Alongoki,
Longoki.
many, yeah?
Many is
Longi,
alongoki.
yes. Here we go again. Some people would say instead of Alongoki, would say Balongoki, yes? Are you with me?
Oh, okay.
It's correct, yes? Balongoki.
Yes.
Balongoki. It is Kikongo, our language. So where were we? Yes. Yeah. Longi teacher. Longoki student, yeah. Longoki Ambote. Longoki Ambote.
Longoki ambote.
Yes,
Mono
Ambote, yeah.
longoki ambote.
Yes. Sadly, you could join you don't understand French. You could join the French class.
Yeah, I understand French. Like it's
Do you? Oh, that's good. Because that class is it is advanced, yes. They're
when I
doing
get
well.
more confident, then I'll join the French class
No
because they're
problem.
advanced.
Yeah. Moving ahead, yes. Okay, where were we? Okay. Okay, this is the past. Remember, Kala, yes, Gina, your present.
Yes.
But when it comes to the past, all change. See your personal pronoun no longer EU, yes?
Yes.
Ya, wa,
Okay.
ka, yes? Ya kala kuna. I had been there. Translation, okay, let's put it like this here. Ya kala kuna. Ya kwenda kuna. Ya kala kuna. Ya kala kuna. I had been there. I was in band. I was there. Yes. Ya kala kuna. Ya kala kuna. Can you try to read it? Ya kala kuna. Ya kala.
Ya kala kuna.
Man is ya kala. Ya kala. It's your verb. Yeah.
Is
Ya
it ya
kwenda.
kala? Ya
Ya
kala.
kala. Yakala is man. Yakala. Yes.
Yakala
Yakala.
is man. Then
Yeah.
Yakala is
Yakala. Make sure your speech is high, yeah?
Oh, Yakala.
Yakala kun, yeah. Yakala, yes. Yakala. Okay. But don't memorize anything. Here we have your, see? Isinga kwenda, usinga kwenda, kasinga kwenda, yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Here we've been learning would be, according to Papa Makonde, would be Osinga, both, yes. But we keep this as our standard. Just keep Uka. I'm talking Congo, yes. Well done. Yakele kun. Don't memorize, just understand. This is past simple, yeah? You see? This is your Yakala kuna. Had been, yes? Had gone, yeah? Yes, I was there, yes? This I was, yes. Yakele, yeah? Wakele, kakele, twakele, twakele. It is hard, even among the linguists. Sometimes they don't agree, yes. Kitaku wako, yeah, this is the one we just try to practice. Kutaku wako, kataku wako. Can you translate here? Kutaku wako, can you translate this?
Kutakungwako, that means you cannot hear me. You can't hear me.
Yes. And here?
Kitakuwako, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, well done. The third, yes.
Katakungwako, he or she cannot hear me.
Yes. Third, yes. First plural.
Katutakuwako. Okay, we cannot hear you.
Yeah, well done. Kalutakungwako.
You plural cannot hear me.
Yes. Kabetakungwako, yes.
They cannot hear me.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, okay. Let us call it a day, yeah? You done well? You done well, bravo. This is a mother tongue. The only one we have. Thank you very much. We thank, let me just say thank you to anyone watching. Thank you very much. This we are fighting. We need to protect our language. He's dying. Anyway, thank you very much. Okay. When the Cambo Tenengatariwa, to Tondele, thank you for your time.
Nusala Kiambote.
Tondele. Yo, eh?
Yo.
Yeah.
Timba, Kaimbe Septemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, William Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Charlie Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Congo. Philippe Kamango. Malemba Basagila, Zozo Lucano. Muito fui na Yaya. Politiza Keita Kulama Serge Ngodo na San Diego.
Congo,